Hello spicy family, welcome back to the channel guys. On today's video I'm just going to be making a meatless cabbage guys. Just a real healthy meatless cabbage that I can enjoy during the week at work. You know, just a light lunch that I can eat. So just join me as I make this meatless cabbage. I'm just going to be adding in all kinds of vegetables and stuff like that. So stay tuned spicy family. Okay guys, we have our seasonings right here. We have some black pepper, some paprika, some Italian herb, crushed red peppers, some salt, and some garlic powder. And then we have our chopped cabbage here. Over here we have our red, green. I have the jalapenos inside of here, celery, yellow, and onions all cut up and ready to go into our simple it's gonna be fried cabbage guys. That's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. Okay spicy family, I really do this dish a lot because I always, when I go to the store, I get always fresh vegetables for the dishes that I make, and I always end up with stuff left over in the refrigerator, so I have to cook it. So I like to make that cabbage because I can throw everything, all these little vegetables and stuff in there, and it just comes out amazing. So over here we're getting ready to put our vegetables and our seasonings into our cabbage guys. We're going to go right over here. We're going to put it into this nice little clean pot right here. We're going to use just a little bit of olive oil just to get us started, and we're going to put in our onions first guys. And I don't want my vegetables or anything to cook too long because I do want a little bit of crunch on them. I don't want them to be too transparent, like mushy into the dish. So stay tuned. We're getting ready to add our onions. Okay, let's throw in our onions here. Let's give it a whirl and a whirl here. Okay guys, here are the ingredients that I'm using in my dish. I have crushed red pepper. We have some Italian and herb seasoning. Some garlic powder. Some paprika. Some sea salt, and some black pepper guys. That's what we're going to throw into this dish, into this cabbage that we're making. And now I'm going to throw in my celery guys, just like that, and we're going to stir it around here. Stay tuned guys. Okay, spicy family, let's throw in our cabbage. And let's get some seasoning going. We're going to do a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of Italian herb, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to do a big tablespoon of the crushed red peppers. Let's give it a stir. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, spicy family, it is cooking down pretty good. I don't want them too soft. I want a little bit of crunch in my cabbage, a little bit of crunch. So, looking good. I'm going to give it another 3 minutes, and then we're going to start adding in our other vegetables. Stay tuned. Okay guys, they're about where I want them to be. I tasted them guys. They are absolutely spicy. just like I want them to be spicy. And I needed to add a little bit more salt. So now I'm just going to add in my green bell peppers and my jalapenos and my red ones and my yellow ones, guys. And we're just going to stir that up, and we're just going to let that set, and we'll show you the results at the end. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, spicy family, the cabbage is just like I want it right now. The vegetables are just, calm down, heat. It's just like I want it, just like that. A little bit of crunch on the bell peppers and a little bit of crunch on the cabbage, but not too much. Exactly how I wanted it. And it just looks delicious, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a done deal. Okay, we're going to shut it off. Stay tuned, guys.